Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing SKYVIK SIGNI One 25mm macro lens. This is my first experience using mobile lenses for photography. This is one of the best selling lens from SKYVIK. I ordered this product on SKYVIK website. This is available on Amazon and Flipkart as well. But the advantage of ordering on SKYVIK website is they are giving 10% discount and points will be awarded which can be redeemed later on future purchases. Now coming to the delivery time, it is around 3 to 4 days as I'm based in Bangalore, and this product gets shipped from Batinda. All the links to the product are mentioned in the description section. Hope it helps you guys, and without wasting any time, let's get started with the unboxing. This is the box in which it comes. This is a carton, and let's get started with unboxing now. So this is the actual box from the company. It is cleanly packed inside the we'll edit it later. So let's open the actual box. First, let's get rid of the plastic. Let's get rid of the plastic. Okay. There's one more box in. And the first thing we see inside the box is a pouch. Next we have Facebook promotion of the brand with some thank you message from SKYVIK, instruction manual, and the hashtag with See with Signi, and the other products which SKYVIK produces. So coming to the pouch looks premium and it feels good. Okay, so it is really good, and we have a bag for the lens. And a lens holder which is placed intact. The lens cap, and finally the lens itself. Coming to the build quality of the lens, this is made of metal. It is heavy and it gives a premium feel to the product. So let's just open the cap. So this is the lens. So let's try to fit this lens onto the cap, onto the clip. Let's remove the back cap. Let's try to fit in to the clip. So this is how it fits onto the clip. So this is the complete unboxing of SKYVIK SIGNI One 25mm macro lens. Well, I'll use this lens on my Oppo Reno 10X zoom. So let's see how the results are. We'll keep you updated on that. Till then, thank you.